Problem number 2. How many grams of the solute is in 200 grams of a 20% by mass solution? Let's start by writing down what we know and what we need to calculate in this problem. We know already mass of solution, 200 grams. We know also percentage concentration by mass, in other words, percent mass over mass, 20%. We need to calculate, we are looking for mass of solute. So in our beaker, we have solute and solvent. Mass of our solution is 200 grams. And percentage concentration by mass, 20%. What we need to calculate? Mass of solute. Let's solve this problem in two ways, based on proportion and based on formula. First way, proportion. Based on the data provided in the problem, we know that in 100 grams of solution, there is 20 grams of solute. Why? Because percentage concentration by mass is 20%. So we have 200 grams of solution. In 200 grams of solution, there is X grams of solute. So we calculate X by cross-multiplying this proportion. 100 grams times X equals 200 grams times 20 grams. So to solve for X, we need to divide both sides by 100 grams. So X equals 200 grams times 20 grams over 100 grams. So equals 40 grams of solute. So 40 grams of solute, this is answer for this problem. In 200 grams of a 20% by mass solution is 40 grams of solute. Now it's time for second way. Second way on the base of formula. Percentage concentration by mass, percent mass over mass, equals mass of solute over mass of solution and multiplied by 100%. So in our case, what we see, we have ppm and also mass of solution. We are looking for mass of solute. So how to calculate mass of solute? ppm over 1 equals mass of solute times 100% over mass of solution. So now, how to calculate mass of solution of solute? by cross multiplying. So mass absolute times 100% equals PCM times mass of solution. So mass absolute equals percentage concentration by mass times mass of solution over 100%. So mass absolute in our case is 20% times mass of solution 200 grams over 100% equals 40 grams solute. Of course, same answer. So guys, we solved this problem in two ways, based on proportion and based on a formula. You guys decide which way is easier for you. For me, proportion is easier, but I absolutely don't negate this formula because all the problems presented in this video can be solved using this formula. But a formula you need to cram and memorize for a class or exam, and I believe that chemistry shouldn't be learned by memory. Cramming the simple formula today in a week, a month, or a year, you have the right to not remember it. And then how will you do on the test? Okay, that's it about problem number 2. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to be notified about the next videos. I also invite you to leave comments. Now we move to the next problem.